Hello. Beauty needs a beautiful white smile to be complete. I am Dr. Rosa. I am a dentist. I did a lot of research to recommend great products for you. I will tell you a story. A girl is really sad because her smile is yellow. She tried everything to whiten her teeth and smile again without success. Her smile is still dark. That's why I did a lot of research to find an efficient and low-cost solution. A white smile opens doors to jobs and attracts love. I'm sad because my smile is yellow. I tried everything and my smile is still dark. Have you ever heard of natural teeth whitener mouth detox? It makes you appear 10 years younger. Whitens teeth up to 6 shades in less than 16 minutes. Chemical-free and 100% portable. A whiter smile gives you a 58% greater chance of being hired for your dream job and makes you 53% more likely to earn a generous salary. And those with whiter teeth are twice as likely to land a second date. White teeth can make you look up to 10 years younger, 20% more attractive. It is the solution to power wash years of coffee and red wine stains and difficult discoloration from smoking right off your teeth. It's completely natural. Works so quickly and easily you'll have a stronger, healthier and whiter smile in less than 16 minutes. The trick is found in a special red LED light frequency that treats an aging smile. You won't feel any pain whatsoever when you use it. Blue light you'll lift plaque from your mouth. Red light enhances the effectiveness of whitening treatments. Meaning when you pair red and blue LED lights together. New with red and blue light therapy. A white smile leads to more success, love, friendship, trust, and so much more. Right now on this page only you can claim your Primal Life Organics LED Teeth Whitening System for a one-time payment of just $199.97. What are you waiting for? This is your moment to love your smile again, or maybe for the first time. Click now on the link of The unit has 32 LED lamps that ensures every tooth gets whiter. Most people see a massive improvement up to 6 shades lighter. Within the first 16 minutes of putting it into action. It works even better with our dual LED light technology. It is the time for you to change your life. Please subscribe and give your like. Click now on the official link below and thank you for watching. 16 minutes of putting it into action. It works even better with our dual LED light technology. It is the time for you to change your life. Please subscribe and give your like. Click now on the official link below and thank you for watching.